Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable magic ring in your smartphone. When you enable this, if you have incoming call, incoming messages or anything, it will show or light it up over here. You can see. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open setting, and here you have to uh, type magic ring. Here it is friends. If you have disabled this, if you have not enabled this, just enable this. It will create a face lock, background call, charging animation, charge completion reminder, and low battery reminder. I show you. I put the charger in. Uh, you can see the animation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.